Creators and brands like Greg Isenberg, SaaS and Empire Labs are using this style of motion content to pull massive engagement. Creators are using these videos to attract clients and grow personal brands, while businesses are using them to grab attention and convert viewers into customers. For years, I've worked in graphic design, even creating work for European football clubs like Real Betis and RCD Espanyol. Back then, I was mainly creating football edits and sports designs, while also helping beginner designers improve their work and understand better design principles. But over the last 2 years, I shifted heavily into motion design, creating work for creators and brands like Greg Isenberg, SaaS and Empire Labs. And working on this kind of content taught me something important. The best performing videos aren't random. Every animation, every transition, every movement is designed to hold attention. But a lot of beginner motion designers never really get to see how this level of content is actually made behind the scenes. So I decided to put together 5 full After Effects projects inspired by the style of content used by creators like Greg Isenberg and Dan Koh. Not just templates, actual editable project files where you can study the workflow, animation pacing, composition structure, typography, transitions, and how premium motion content is built from start to finish. This pack was made for beginner and intermediate motion designers who want to understand modern motion design at a higher level instead of watching endless tutorials without seeing real workflows. If you want to learn how premium creator-style motion graphics are actually made and start creating content that feels modern, cinematic, and high retention, check out the pack below. And subscribe for more motion graphics, tutorials, breakdowns, and creator-style editing content on the way. Thank you for watching.